DevOps, a methodology that bridges development and operations, is increasingly shaping the landscape of firmware development. For embedded engineering teams, DevOps offers a framework to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and accelerate release cycles. Unlike traditional software projects, firmware development must contend with hardware dependencies, limited resources, and rigorous testing requirements. These factors introduce unique challenges, making automation and continuous integration more complex but also more valuable. As embedded systems become more sophisticated and interconnected, adopting DevOps practices is becoming essential for teams aiming to deliver reliable and secure firmware efficiently. The growing relevance of DevOps in this field reflects a broader shift towards agility and resilience in embedded engineering. Continuous integration plays a crucial role in the development of embedded systems by automating the process of building and testing code. With continuous integration, every code change is automatically compiled and tested, ensuring that new updates do not introduce errors or break existing functionality. Automated builds help developers catch issues early, reducing the time spent on manual compilation and integration tasks. Automated testing further streamlines development by verifying that the system behaves as expected across different hardware configurations and software environments. This approach not only accelerates the development cycle but also improves the reliability of embedded systems, as problems are identified and addressed promptly. By maintaining a consistent and stable codebase, continuous integration helps teams deliver robust and dependable embedded solutions. Over-the-air, or OTA, updates have become a crucial method for maintaining and enhancing device firmware after deployment. By allowing manufacturers to remotely deliver updates, devices can receive important bug fixes, performance improvements, and new features without requiring physical access. This approach helps ensure that devices remain secure, as vulnerabilities can be patched promptly. Minimizing downtime is a key advantage, since updates are often designed to install seamlessly in the background, reducing disruption for users. Additionally, secure transmission protocols and authentication measures are employed to safeguard the integrity of the update process. Overall, OTA updates provide a reliable and efficient way to keep devices current and protected throughout their life cycle. Version control plays a crucial role in embedded engineering by streamlining the development and maintenance of firmware. It allows multiple engineers to collaborate effectively, ensuring that changes made by different team members are tracked and integrated seamlessly. Through detailed change histories, version control provides traceability, making it easy to identify when and why specific modifications were introduced. This traceability is essential for debugging, compliance, and auditing purposes. Additionally, version control systems enable efficient management of firmware updates, allowing teams to revert to previous versions if issues arise. By organizing and safeguarding code, version control minimizes the risk of errors and enhances the overall reliability of embedded systems. DevOps practices have become instrumental in transforming the way embedded engineering teams approach firmware development. By streamlining collaboration, automating testing, and enabling continuous integration and deployment, these methodologies help teams deliver firmware that is both robust and secure. Enhanced monitoring and rapid feedback loops ensure that vulnerabilities are identified and addressed promptly, keeping devices protected against emerging threats. Regular updates and seamless rollouts mean that products remain current and reliable throughout their life cycle. Ultimately, DevOps empowers embedded engineers to meet the demands of modern technology, delivering solutions that are resilient, safe, and consistently up to date.